Hey guys, what's going on? We're out here in the marsh. You know that dude right there, Abel. But I'm also out here with Alec. Hey, we got a skull! Got him! Got him! Nice trout. All right. Got him! What's up, guys? Hey guys, what's going on? I'm out here with a couple of guys. You know that dude right there, Abel. But I'm also out here with Alex. You've seen him in a couple of my videos. We're out here. It's a cloudy day. Got a little mist. I think a cold front might have came in probably a day or two ago. Not anything crazy. It's still springtime, but we're down in the 60s this morning. We're seeing a lot of good bait activity, a lot of shad popping around, and we're heading to this marsh lake. Hopefully we can pick up some fish, maybe even run into some schools. So oh yes, that was a red. He hit it, took it under, and didn't get a good hook set. And it was on the pause. I mean, there it is again, look. Ah! Dude, what are they doing? Another slap, man. See it. I'm gonna start paddling that way. I see a bunch of birds. Hey, we got a skull. Yeah, he missed it. Watch this, watch this. Got him. There we go, guys. Let me reverse it out of here. See if I can pull this fish in. I don't know if it's a trout or red. Oh, it's a trout. Oh well. Get this trout in the net. That's what it was. School of trout. Oh, he popped off. You got a school? I'm gonna hit this fish right here. I didn't even realize I had a fish on. Oh. Yeah. Oh damn, my net's hooked up. Huh? Flounder? Yeah, he's definitely too small. But that's a nice little flounder. 13 inches. All right, let's let him go. Okay, see that right there? That's definitely fish right there. See how those birds are just picking shrimp and stuff off the water and then hovering and turning back around? That's a school of fish. So let me make a cast right there. Might be a decent fish. Oh, missed it. Missed it. Let's get back in the strike zone. I want to stay just on the outside of them so I don't spook the school. Got him. All right, got one. Let's see what this is. It's a trout. Might be a keeper trout. All right. Looks like a keeper. Looks like a small one, but that'll get us on the board. We have a little $20 bet going between Abel, Alex, and I on heaviest stringer. Heaviest stringer wins this bet. So I'm going to put this on the stringer. Mouth closed, 16 inches. All right, first fish. Let's go get another one off that school. They're moving pretty fast. Oh, I might get one on this cast right here. Got him. That's a better trout. That might be another. Well, let's see, is that a better trout? Might be close. Close to another slot. Let's close the mouth. Yeah, that's real close. That's like 15 1/4. Mouth. No, I'm not gonna take the chance on this one. I'm not gonna take that chance. It was too close for me. Let's go get back in the strike zone. Let's get back in the strike zone real quick. Got him. That feels like a better fish. That feels like a better fish, guys. It's either a small red or a decent sized trout. That's a decent sized trout, guys. That is a decent sized trout. Oh yeah, that is a good trout. That's a nice trout, y'all. 320. Yeah, that is a 19 3/4 inch fish. Look at that, guys. It's a nice trout. There's the schools up there too. Let's get this picture for the Angler app. This fish go back in the water. Let's see if those fish start schooling back up. That is a big school over there, but we got fish here too. Got him. It's back up. All right, guys. Not the net, let's get in the kayak. All right, let's do it again. All right, guys, this is pretty fun. We got birds everywhere. I got a school in front of me, and then I got some birds over there that are working. So I'm just gonna keep working. I'm gonna keep working this school in front of me. Got him. That's a decent one. Is that a red? That's either a red or a big trout, guys. I'm trying to put it in reverse. I'm trying to save you guys the fish. I think that's a big trout, dude. Or a red. All right, guys, first redfish of the day. Nice. There we go, nice little slot red, probably 22 inches. Marked it on the Angler app. 23 inch red. See if I can make a cast. Put it in reverse. I think I might have went a little too far. Got him. Oh shit. All right, guys, that's another red. Get this in reverse, get out of this school. Get in there, Abel. All right, y'all, that's another decent red. What it, dude? Oh, that's a good red. That is a good red, y'all. All right, y'all, this red's not ready to come up. Here we go. Get him in the net, there we go. All right, y'all, I don't know if I got the video of this fish, but here he is. He's about 24 1/2 inches. Not sure where we left off, but so far I have 2 reds and 3 trout. So let's see if we can pick up a few more. Hey, what's up, guys? So I got 2 reds so far, 3 trout. Alex picked up a nice flounder in a red, and Abel's got some 3 good flounder in a red. So not a bad day. We're kind of just scanning this lake right now for schools. All right, I think that's a good cast right there. Let's see if I can pick one up. Oh, I can see the fish busting up. Oh, you got it. Abel's just gonna hook up right now. Watch, guys. Abel's got a fish right here. You cast it right in it, dude.
I know.
Oh, I got a fish. I didn't even know it. Here we go, guys. I didn't even know I had a fish. That's a keeper trout. Get that in the net, in the kayak. All right, let me put it in reverse so I don't spook the school. Oh, on the drop. Got him. Got him, guys, on the drop. That's a nice red. Here we go. Redfish. All right. All right, y'all. As soon as I tossed that cork out there, this red hammered it. Sorry for the wind. I know it's windy out here. Let's get this one in the net. That's way up here. All I'm doing is working a 4 horseman cork with a mono leader and a jig head and a gulp. And he hit it. He hammered that right on the drop. There we go. Oh. There we go. Got him in the net. That's the limit right there, guys. Probably a 22, I'd have to guess. Let's take a quick pick for the Angler app. 22 3/4, right? Almost 23. And I've said it before, guys. I love this fish hide stringer. This fish hide stringer is awesome. It has multiple clips. Now, what I need to do is buy more clips because you can see I'm having to run the fish on the main line because I only have 3 clips. But the good thing about it is you can easily add clips to this little ring, and you can string more fish up. All right, y'all, it is I don't know, probably around noon, maybe 11 o'clock. I don't know what time it is, but wind started picking up, so we're kind of heading back towards the launch. Might fish this little channel a little bit, see if we can pick up a fish. Abel had 2 reds, but he lost one of them. So we're gonna do the final weigh-in back at the launch. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope I was able to get all these catches on film. I know that my camera froze up for a second. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. If you like the video, please give me a like. If you like the channel, please subscribe. And we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.